Hey everybody, it's Bill Flannery, the DC Plate King. Here I am in McLean, Virginia, over by Tyson's Corner at the Hilton Hotel. Today we're doing a combination of things. We're doing a photo shoot and an interview of Chef Philip Thompson. I've got my wife with me, Melita, that's her. She's gonna be taking all the pictures. I've got a bunch of samples in my sturdy silver sample box. I can always bring this box to you also. It's always filled with surprises and great things. We're heading to a meeting room where Philip's got a Mogogo table set up. That's where we're going to do the interview. There's Chef Philip. He's pretty tall. He's a tall guy. He's a tall chef. There's my wife Melita, standing on a chair because she's short so that she can get the right photographs for this event.
Hi, I'm Philip Thompson, Executive Chef at the Hilton McLean Tyson's Corner, and I'm here with Bill answering some questions on hospitality in Mogogo and my experiences in the hotel industry. Here in Harth Restaurant, we have a new fall menu which we're rolling out today. You're going to have some great regional specialties, including Shenandoah trout and some family-style dishes, a whole roasted chicken, and a braised beef short rib.
So today, what I've done is I brought Chef Philip some surprises. I brought him a bunch of new designs from our Bauscher porcelain. And what I've asked Chef Philip to do is take these plates, plate up some food, have some fun, then we're going to take some photographs and video of what Chef Philip put together.
I have local cheese and charcuterie, Virginia country ham, Ollie Salamaria Brezola, and a Montmorency ash, goat's cheese with some fresh figs.
In this hotel, we have a vast array of Bauscher Hepp products that are being used by the property on a daily basis. We call this a living showroom. It's open to anyone that wants to get new, fresh ideas about setting up their banquets. This is a great way to see how another customer, Chef Philip, and the food and beverage team at the Hilton use the Mogogo product to wow their customers for banquets. So that's it. That's kind of a short day in the life of a guy that sells plates, folks. So remember, the DC Plate King. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.